Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to make your time in the bathroom easier and more pleasurable? Then check out this motion sensing bathroom trash can from MRBIN. I know it's hard to get excited about a bathroom trash can, but this one has so many features that I love and I want to tell you about. First of all, it's beautiful and a major upgrade from the trash can that I had before it. The black and stainless steel give my bathroom a modern look. This sensor works perfectly, and with just a wave of my hand, it opens with ease, and then in a couple seconds, it automatically closes. The bathroom I put this in is pretty small, and I love that it's the perfect size to fit between the toilet and the sink, but not too small that I have to change it out every day. Speaking of changing out the bag, this trash can comes with several of its own trash bags, and it's very easy to pull it out and get the other one ready to use. It has a tiny hole in the side of the bin where you can make everything snug and secure, and then it fits perfectly in the trash can with the lid on top, and it doesn't show the bag. So if you're ready for a little luxury in your bathroom, then I highly recommend this beautiful trash can from MRBIN. And that's my point of view.